What's going on, everybody? Ooh. We're getting ready to bring her out. I've been working and Mo and Doe and Mark been asleep. Mac, me and you been doing all the work, son, ain't we? Huh? What we been doing, son? The problem was it didn't burn all the plug wires, so I believe the old motor's still good. We ain't got that one motor out, y'all. We got the motor out of Nova. We got it out. All we got to do is just get ready. Oh, ma'am. What's going on, Joy?
Huh? We gotta cut that shifter cable.
Come on, let's jerk it out, y'all. We trying to see it. We ain't done all the work. At least y'all can help me get that much out.
I just want to say that shifter cable.
What's going on, Tony? What's up, Jeff? What's going on, Khalil? What's up, Brian? What's going on, Jeff? You know what that is, don't you? That's a Memphis wood heater. You know it? Hey, Nobi, that's a Memphis wood heater. Uh-oh. Midget, she gives pool lessons. Well, you teach them how to play pool, Midget, at night? Huh? Y'all quit. Behave. We're getting ready to pull her. Hopefully it's good. What's going on, Brian? What's up, Stephen? What's going on, Bobby? Eugene, Brad Parker. It's a little bit left. Ain't no whole lot. What you doing on that, Mr. Mark?
Oh, you don't want to save the shifter cable, baby.
Nah, I guess we don't need to shift the cable. I guess we don't need to shift the cable, Mark. I don't know what, Mr. Mark, he's been asleep the whole time. He ain't did nothing.
Got to get my video,
Let's pull it. Let's bring it out. What's going on, Ronnie? What's up, Core Sweet? What's up, Aaron? Merry Christmas to everybody. What's up, DJ? Queen got that old Malibu sitting over there. It's ready. I'm about to help her. The block froze on the way back home. It's leaking antifreeze. The block froze up, y'all. Let me show y'all. Let's see if you can see it. Look right here. Let's see where it's frozen at. The block froze on the way home. Right there at the top. See that crack? Right there. It's got a crack right there at the top. I should have put some antifreeze in it, but I didn't ever dream of it getting that cold on the way home. And we had it on the open trailer, so I guess. And then the heads, even the heads cracked a little bit. Look right there. I'm gonna Probably weld them up and try to run them and don't worry about it. What's up, Eddie? Merry Christmas to y'all. You get that motor outlast on. What's up, Matt? What's going on, Frank? What's going on, Wayne? What's up, Mike Gill? What's going on, Drew? You got your finger? What's up, Bay City? Jonathan Keith. Jerry Flippin. It don't take it long. We're going to get it back rolling. We'll get Ole Heavy. The old dinosaur. The old dinosaur going to come on out. All we hoping is the motor good. What's going on, Brian J? What's up, Stanley? Eli. What's up, Jonathan? Art. Angel. I'm gonna run out of minutes, y'all. If y'all don't hurry up, what we gotta do? This was Ole Light instead of Ole Heavy.
Yeah, for real, Ole Light, yeah.
What you say, though?
They ain't no heavy for sure. Ole Light,
I don't know about the country jack legs. I don't know what they got going on.
I'm trying to get in the winter more. Yeah, I didn't want to chase it though, as long as they with it. You could have dragged the car out and put another strap around it.
This is jack leg at its finest. If I told y'all that fella there worked on airplanes for a living, y'all might think twice about getting on an airplane. You might think twice. I don't know. What's up, Daryl? What's going on? Ronnie, Trace, Jill. Man, cold, a little chilly in here in Memphis. What them kids are doing? Little big head midget. Yeah. One thing about them carburetors held up, Mr. Gary. It's some good carburetors for sure. That's what I'm saying. What's up, Sheila? What's up, Mary Lynn? What's up, Joe? Chris? Yeah, that's a fact. They probably would be scared to race over there. I really enjoyed George race. Had a lot of fun racing over that old track. For sure. I used to run H. Pierce stock automatic over there. What you need, son? We ain't cleaning up right now. We trying to get the motor out. What's going on, Brandon? What's up, John? Nah, y'all, that ain't Ole Heavy. That was a bootleg. Yeah, that was the jack leg Ole Heavy. The real Ole Heavy sitting in there. Y'all already know that. That's the real Ole Heavy. That was the bootleg. I see old Debo sitting in there, don't you?
Debo in bad shape right now.
Debo in bad shape.
Got cancer or something.
I tell you, rheumatoid arthritis. Man, bad thing about it, Mo got outrun in the goose by the ugly duck here.
Mo just getting the groove with it.
Put Mo out of commission early.
Hey, man. That little black you cleaners I got in the back seat of my truck and that little red one you was back.
All right, y'all, I'm going to jump off here because I think they're getting paid by the hour. It'll take him a week to get them motor out of here. We almost got it, though. All right. See y'all. Merry Christmas, everybody. And don't trip. I talked to a friend of mine, and you know what he said? He said, if you got a day card or something, a data logger, he said, you don't need to run Ole Heavy. But he said, but we do got something you can run if you do got a data logger. He said, but now if you just want to race on a real street, you can race Ole Heavy. All right, y'all. We gone. Much love.